How the Birds Become Moose. Pictures and words by Yuan Han. Hey, wah! To my parents, Kate and Zach. You can see a bird everywhere. Cities, forests, everywhere. Chirp! But you can sometimes see a moose. Actually, bird can become a moose. What? If they're lucky, birds can become human or moose. There's two ways. First, here's how birds become human. Watch this. I became a human! And now, here's a bird who became a moose. I just call them mood. Watch how birds become moose. I'm not a Rudolph! There are very, very surprising things in the world. This is one of those. You cannot change and be a moose, but you can pretend to be a moose. Watch how I became a moose. Actually, it's just pretending. Hi. Now, my body is moose. And with my arm, I used to make a horn. And then here's pasta. Watch me how I eat. Look. Try it at your home. Bye.
Oh, where's my daughter? Moose, moose.
My God.